Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to share to you how are you going to detect if a text and essay submitted to you is actually done by human or by machine such as the Open AI or the Chat GPT. Okay, so as simple as this. All you have to do is to type in 0gpt.com in your URL. I repeat, 0gpt. So this is the one. Okay. So how does it work? All you have to do is to enter the text to check for AI and Chat GPT plagiarism. So for example, I have here this text. All I have to do is to copy this entirely, and then I'm going to enter it here, and then there you are, and then all you have to do is to choose the text. Okay, now it is generating if it is indeed done by Chat GPT. So here now is the result. So it says here your text is likely generated by AI or Chat GPT, 54 to 52% AI GPT. Okay, so it even highlights here which part is actually done by Chat GPT. So it says here. So it seems like it's almost all, right? Especially on the part for creating a positive impact. So it highlights here in yellow, highlighted text is expected to be most likely generated by AI. Okay, so around 1038 words. So there you are. All you have to do to check if an essay or a text is done by ChatGPT, all you have to do is to go to 0gpt.com. So there you are. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in our next video. Thank you so much.